The Smart Fingerprint Door Lock offers 4 convenient unlocking options, including fingerprint recognition, keypad passcodes, Bluetooth app control, and backup keys, ensuring versatile access for users. With the Tuya app, you can easily manage user access, share codes, and create custom entry options, making it ideal for families, guests, and service providers. This lock boasts a long battery life, running on 4 AAA batteries for up to 1 year, and includes a USB port for emergency charging to keep your door secure. Your data is kept secure locally without cloud uploads, and the extensive passcode options combined with multiple security modes provide superior protection. Installation is a breeze as it fits most American doors, and it is supported by a 3-year technical assistance plan and a responsive support team. The Smart Fingerprint Door Lock is perfect for enhancing the security of bedrooms, garages, offices, apartments, and hotels with its advanced features.